Domino's has brought out a new range of pizzas, the Flavours of Australia. They've also brought out a drink to go along with it as well. So how about we whip on into Domino's, grab one of their Flavour of Australia pizzas, suss it out and see what it's like. Let's go. All right, well, here we go. The new Flavours of Australia pizza, and I also got a mango shake. Now, the pizza I got today was the BBQ steak. I could also have got a Great Southern chicken or an Aussie hot honey, but I thought the BBQ steak was the best value one that you could get today. And by the way, it cost $15, although because it's Tuesday today, I only paid $10. Yes! I love a bargain! And this mango shake that I got is normally $8. And I paid $8 for it. Yes! I love paying retail! Anyway, I have got the scales. Let's see how much both of these things weigh. All right, well, the mango shake. Wow, 420 odd grams. And the barbecue steak? Well, it says 516 minus the box. Well, the box is normally about 120, so you're looking at about 400 grams for the pizza. And 420 odd grams for that, that's about 400 mils. And you can either get it with or without whipped cream on top. Of course, I got it with it. You don't get a body like the old Grego from not eating whipped cream. Anyway, let's crack this pizza box open and suss out the toppings that we get on this one. Ooh, I can't wait to see it. Da, 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 da. Oh, okay, well, I've got to say, look how beautifully presented that is. It's very well proportioned. And I got the thin and crispy crust today so I could really taste the toppings a little bit better. Now, the Taste of Australia barbecue steak pizza is the taste of smoky and savoury flavour combinations, tender steak strips, Italian sausage, pepperoni, red onion, oregano, and stretchy mozzarella cheese on a pizza-based sauce. Finished with a drizzle of barbecue sauce. Now, let's see if there's going to be any cheese stretch. I doubt it highly because it's about 10 minutes old. Oh, it really wanted to, but it didn't. Right, anyway, how about we just dive on in and try this bad boy. Well, kind of wishing I didn't get that thin and crispy crust today because it's not going down too well. But the flavours on top, obviously they're spread out a bit, and well, you're getting a bit of meat here, bit of pepperoni there. You definitely get a taste of that barbecue sauce. I mean, there's enough of it on the top. I was getting bits and pieces of the steak there and also the Italian sausage, and well, I'm just wondering where the pepperoni is. I can't really see it there, unless it's hidden underneath. Can you see the pepperoni sausage on top? Oh, hang on. I think I just found some. Right, so there is some there, but it's very well hidden, and I can't see much on it. But it's good to know that they did put it on. Whew, thank goodness for that. But the taste of this, it's all right. Tastes like barbecue sauce on a all right tasting pizza. But I want some more. I mean, it tastes all right, but you know, it's a Domino's pizza. They almost all taste exactly the same. Anyway, maybe their drinks are different. I got the Taste of Australia mango shake with the whipped cream. I didn't have to get the whipped cream. But why wouldn't you? Although, it does taste like that whipped cream just squirted from a bottle. Anyway, let's see how good this is. Well, it's got a nice thickness about it. So that's good. Whoa. Man, that is nice and sweet. It took a while for the mango flavour to come in there, but when it did, whoo, doggy! It tasted good. Nice and mango-y, not overly mango-y though. In fact, it tastes like it might have a bit of passion fruit in there. But it's nice and thick. It's super creamy. Tastes more passion fruity than mango-y, but it's nice and sweet as well. And it tastes pretty good. Super refreshing. Oh, that's really nice. But I wonder what score I'd give these out of 10. Well, the BBQ Steak Pizza, $15 for this normally. I got it for $10 today because it's Tuesday. And well, I mean, it just tastes like all their other pizzas. It's pretty bland. There's bits of meat on there, but you can't really taste them. And the cheese, well, you can't really get that either. And well, the crust, well, it wasn't that good today. I thought it might be a bit better. And I couldn't really find anything that tasted good about this other than the tomato sauce base, which I thought was pretty nice. And well, I probably need more of it to actually get a proper tasting. Let's have some more. Kind of tastes like a supermarket frozen pizza. And the $8 mango shake, well, it sounds pretty expensive, but have you ever gone and bought a tub of ice cream lately? Mate, I'm paying like $8 for like a tub of ice cream like that. And this is basically the same size, full of ice cream with a mango flavour that tastes really nice, even though it does taste like passion fruit. It's pretty nice and sweet, and I quite enjoyed that. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, for the Tastes of Australia pizza, I got the barbecue steak one, and I got the mango shake. Well, I think I can only give these a... Well, for the pizza, I'll give that a 6.3 out of 10. And for the shake, I'll give that a 6.9 out of 10. The pizza today wasn't much to write home about. It just tasted like a frozen one that I'd reheated in the oven myself. And it's called the Flavours of Australia pizza, but I couldn't get any Flavours of Australia. The only flavours I really got was the barbecue sauce and the pizza sauce. The meat on top is so bland nowadays, you can't even get any flavours out of that. And the shake, well, it's supposed to be mango, it tastes like passion fruit. It tasted good though, it's nice and sweet and creamy and delicious, and this meal together was, well, $18 on the Tuesday. It would definitely fill you up, and it would give you all the carbs and sugars that your body's craving for. Would you spend $18 on these two things? Let me know down below. If you made it this far in the video, mate, hit that thumbs up button. Why wouldn't you? You may as well. Anyway, I think I might go down the beach and finish the rest of this off. It's a beautiful day, and well, I might just see a whale swimming by. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I eat at Domino's. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are pink.